Happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Buabate from Alcobar, Saudi Arabia. Muli, happy 50th birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Michelle. We miss you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Michelle. May you have more birthday to come with good health and good wealth. Kumusta kayo ni Jake? Maybe next year or early next year, makapunta kami dyan sa Australia. Okay? Sige, enjoy.
Hi, Ninong Michelle. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the blessings and happiness always. Enjoy your day po and God bless. See you soon.
Hello po, Tita Michelle. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best po and always stay healthy and more birthdays to come. We love you po.
Hello, Michelle. Good morning. I'm Ninang. Happy birthday sa inanak kong maganda. May the Lord give you more blessing and good health, happy family, and enjoy your special day. Happy birthday. Yeah. Okay, say.
Thank you for having the best day ever. Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Tita Michelle. And remember me doing the video. Happy birthday. I'm eating breakfast. And I miss you. Bye-bye.
Ako ni Dani.
Apon ko si Danny.
Hi.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Michelle.
Happy birthday, Michelle. God bless you.
God bless you.
Enjoy your life. Good health.
Birthday po, Tita Michelle. God bless po.
Happy birthday po, Tita Michelle. Ingat po palagi sa Australia and kayo po ni Tita Jack. And sana po mas sumaba pa po ang buhay niyo and mas yung health niyo po ganyan. And yun po, magiging nurse po ako in some days sa future. And happy birthday po ulit. Thank you po.
Birthday, Michelle. Sana marami pang birthday darating sa'yo. Good health. And kumusta kay Jake? Mag-ingat kayo dyan parati. Thank you very much.
Hi, Michelle. Good morning and happy birthday. I'm trying to marinate a barbecue for you. And hopefully you'll enjoy your 50th birthday and more birthdays to come. Tita Lisa and
Ralph.
that's
Happy birthday.
right. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Michelle.
Michelle, happy birthday. Naway bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at malakas na pangangatawan. Mahal ka namin. Michelle, we love you and God bless you.
Michelle, happy birthday. And
Happy birthday, Michelle.
birthday. Tama sa ate si Tita Liz, bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay, malakas na katawan, at magandang buhay ninyo ni Jake. At kausa rin kay Jake. Happy birthday, Michelle.
Happy birthday, Michelle. Ingat kayo dyan lagi, ha? Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Michelle. Happy birthday, anak. Michelle, wish ko sa iyo good health and happiness forever. Gabayan ka palagi ni Lord. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa akin at sa mga kapatid ni Kate. Ingat kayo lagi diyan. Love you and miss you.
Michelle Jake. Enjoy your big day.
Happy birthday, Ate Michelle. Ang wish ko sa'yo and pray matupad lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. At saka lagi kayong bibigyan ni Lord. Ikaw at si Kuya Jake, good health. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa amin. We miss you. Hope to see you soon. Love you. Happy birthday, Ate Michelle. Thank you for everything. We miss you all. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate. We love you. Si Mike, naiiyak daw kaya tumayo. Thank you. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Tita. Happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the happiness in life and the best of everything. May your birthday be as bright and wonderful as your spirit. We love you so much. Ingat po palagi.
Today po, Nana. Happy 50th birthday. I hope your special day is as wonderful as you are. God bless. God bless.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bunso.
50th birthday?
Yes, happy birthday, Bunso. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nina.
Ingat lagi, Bunso. Ingat lagi. Happy birthday.
Enjoy your birthday. Yes.
Happy birthday, golden girl. 50 years.
Enjoy! God bless alright. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your kindness. We love you so much.
Diamond birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Nainay. Happy birthday, Nainay. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nainay.
Happy Golden Girl! Happy birthday, happy 50th birthday, Bunso. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagmamahal, pagsuporta mo sa amin. We are forever grateful sa pagiging compassionate mo sa mga pamangkin mo, sa mga magulang, at syempre sa aming mga kapatid mo. Maraming salamat, Bunso, and enjoy your special day. We will always pray for you, at maraming salamat din kay Papa Jen. Again, happy 50th birthday! We love